Today we will be multiplying mixed numbers. The first problem we have is 5 2/3 times 2 1/2. The easiest way to multiply mixed numbers is to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. How do we do that? Well, we multiply the denominator and the whole number, and we add it to the numerator, and our denominator stays the same. Again, to convert this mixed number to an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number in the denominator and add it to the numerator, and we keep the denominator the same. All right? Same here. We multiply the whole number in the denominator and add that product to the numerator. And again, denominator stays the same. So we have 15, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2. That's 17, and denominator is 3. We're multiplying these fractions. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5, and denominator is 2. Now we simply just have to multiply the numerators and then the denominators. So 17 times 5. Let's go to the side and do 17 times 5. Well, 7 times 5 is 35. We put our 5 in the ones place. We group our 3 in the tens place. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So our numerator equals 85. And our denominator, 3 times 2 is 6. All right, it's very important to understand that this is an improper fraction. If it's an improper fraction, we can change it to a mixed number because it's improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So 85/6 or 85 divided by 6. All right, 6 will go in the first digit. One time we have one group of 6. And 1 times 6 is 6. So we subtract that from 8. 8 is in the tens place. 8 minus 6 is 2. All right. And don't forget the 2 is in the tens place. So it makes very clear how we have 2 tens and we bring down the 5 as the ones place because it's 25. All right. How many groups of 6 are in 25? Well, we have 4 groups of 6 in 25. 4 times 6 is 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. And don't forget, I always like to use this to help my students remember. Remainder is the numerator. So they can remember real life in a hospital. You see a registered nurse. So they'll make that connection. So the remainder is the numerator. All right, so the remainder is the numerator. And of course, the divisor is always the denominator. So 85/6 is equivalent to 14 1/6 written as a mixed